How to turn off the autoplay on your Apple Music. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you have turned on your autoplay but would like to turn it off, here is the process to do so. For this, you have to first of all open your Apple Music. Once you do so, play any song of your choice. Then after, tap on the now playing bar which is at the bottom. This is to open the full player. Once you have done so, you have to swipe up to reveal the up next queue, or you can tap on the three horizontal lines which is on the bottom right. After that, you will see an infinity symbol at the top right corner. Tap on it to toggle off the autoplay. If it is grayed out only then it means the autoplay is off. So that is all that you have to do to turn off the autoplay. This is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.